Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for people using email. One of the biggest problems with email is that it is a way that a lot of people are getting viruses. It's actually still the number one way of getting malware onto your PC of all sorts of kinds. So I just wanted to remind you of some simple rules about email. First of all, make sure that you just never click anything on an email from somebody you don't know. That's the first rule. Second rule, do not click or do not believe any emails that say, oh, you got problems with this or that. We're warning you, click here to fix it. Go to that organization. So say you got a bank email. Oh, you got a problem with your account. You've been blocked. Click here to fix it. Don't do that. Never do that. Okay? Links are very dangerous. And unless you're really sure about what they're actually telling you, don't click any links. Go to your bank or call your bank and say, hey, I got this email. It says I got a problem. That should be the first thing to do. Call your bank. It's all phishing scams in general. Another way that you can get scammed is you get an email from what looks like one of your contacts, and it says, hey, I'm in this or that country and I am in trouble and I need money. Can you send me X amount of money? Click here to do whatever. First of all, always think, is your friend somewhere else around the world or on vacation? And why not call your friend or somebody that knows your friend and say, hey, if he or she is, it also is a scam 99.9999% of the time. I'm not saying it would be impossible, but it's always pretty much phishing scam, also trying to lure you into losing money, basically. Files in attachments, always ignore files and attachments. You know what? I would ban attachments from email personally all the time because I don't like them. Unless you're really sure that it's something that's willfully sent by a friend of yours, do not fall for this. It's very important. And basically, do not. One other thing is, oh, you got a UPS package or US Postal Service or whatever, company is saying, hey, you got a package. Here's the information, and you click here to, tell us when we can deliver the package or when you're gonna come in and get the package. Delivery companies do not do that. They do not tell you your package is ready or anything through an email. You'll have to log into some company to track packages. Don't fall for that scam. It's another very popular scam going on right now. And be very careful. Email is still the number one way of losing money or getting malware, and it's all up to you. And always remember, because as a tech guy, I would say that almost every time when somebody looked fishy, well, that client told me, well, it looked fishy, but I clicked anyway. If it looks strange, if it looks something that is not normal, do not click. Delete it and call or check with whoever is responsible if that there is a real problem or not. Be very careful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.